his credit card here. That's why he's here. I don't know about you, but I offered first choice of a dueling pistol to an ATM. And I considered it a fair fight. But I missed, and I hit the little camera above its head, and it cried out in a heavy computer accent, "Free at last! Free at last! Thank God I am free at last."
Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight quiet, I have tried in my way to be free.
On the corner, I saw Freedom locked inside a 1992 Chevy Malibu. The safety belt was stuck and she could not exit the vehicle. So what would you do? I entangled the thin yellow lines which ensnared her like cords of kudzu, swallowing a power line on an Alabama back road, and together we took off. And I can't say for sure, but I think that do you guys say do donuts or cut cookies? I think that we did donuts in the gas station parking lot for 10 years. The only thing I know for sure is that when she left me, I was dizzy and Freedom had not changed a bit. And I was forced to fill out a missing persons report.
Like a wire on a hook, like a knight in an old-fashioned book, I have saved all my ribbons for thee.
The cop asked me what freedom looked like, and I said that freedom was a blank yellow legal pad found in the passenger seat of a $250 pickup truck purchased as is. The cop looked confused and said, "No, what does she look like?" I said, "Freedom is glancing in the mirror and not noticing yourself." On a cold day, freedom is getting your tongue stuck on the frozen metal while giving a French kiss to a bronze statue of the city fathers just because they need love. So freedom is using dirty words to describe that French kiss just so that your list of platitudes will not wind up printed on a poster hanging in the bathroom of an insurance salesman in a minor American city.
If I ever was unkind, yeah, I hope you just let it pass you by. If I ever was untrue, no, it was never to you.
Freedom dances with strangers. Freedom is dancing with your lover, dancing with your mother, dancing with your ex. Freedom is waxing your mustache into a Salvador Dali just to let small children play with the curly cue. Freedom is drawing underarm hair on the ads that hang in the subway and then writing a letter to the ad company thanking them for printing the ads that way.
Like a babe stillborn, like a beast with his horns. I have torn everyone that reached out to me. Freedom is premature reincarnation. Freedom is making eye contact with the blind. I know Sierra and Kevin will appreciate this. Freedom is tipping well when you can't afford it. I saw freedom out of the corner of my eyes, gathering a group of pedestrians for a rousing chorus of no more chanting, no more chanting, no more chanting. Freedom is thanking a God that you don't believe in. But I swear by this song, and know that I hear them wrong. I will make all to thee. Freedom is losing a contest and then shaking the hand of the winner and looking them straight in the eye and saying, "Sorry, pal, no hard feelings." Freedom is having hard feelings. And freedom is taking those hard feelings and tying them to the end of a stick and using it as a hammer to build a cathedral for the one that made you feel that way. Freedom is obeying stoplights that you see on TV. Freedom is giving credit to the space bar as one of the letters in the alphabet. I saw an old man leaning on his wooden crutch. He said, "You must not ask for too much." I saw a pretty woman leaning in a darkened room. She said, "Why not ask for more?" Well, needless to say, the cop got frustrated and wandered off in the direction of the pedestrians who were still chanting, say this with me, "No more chanting! No more chanting! No more chanting!" And he began arresting them all, including each and every one of you now, for civil disobedience. Like a bird. I'm not sure, but I believe that freedom is still in county lockup. And no one has posted bail. I went to visit her one time, but I don't think she recognized me. She just handed me a dueling pistol and pointed me towards an ATM, and I considered it a fair fight.
very much.